Charges.
Dr. Jumba Jukiba, lead scientist of Galaxy Defense Industries. You stand before this council, accused of illegal genetic experimentation.
How do you plead?
Not guilty. My experiments are only theoretical and completely within legal boundaries.
We believe you actually created something.
Created something? Ah, but that would be irresponsible and unethical. I could never, ever make more than one.
What is that monstrosity?
Monstrosity! What you see before you is the first of a new species. I call it Experiment 626. He is bulletproof, fireproof, and can think faster than supercomputer. He can see in the dark and move objects 3,000 times his size. His only instinct to destroy everything he touches.
So it is a monster.
Just a little one.
It is an affront to nature. It must be destroyed.
Calm yourself, Captain Gantu. Perhaps it can be reasoned with. Experiment 626. Give us some sign you understand any of this. Show us that there is something inside you that is good. Huh? No!
My friend has been freed!
I didn't teach him that.
Boo!
Scientist under arrest.
I prefer to be called evil genius!
And as for that abomination, it is the flawed product of a deranged mind. It has no place among us. Captain Gantu, take him away.
With pleasure.